Fixing or assembling the piston, we will start by the piston number 1. And we go a long way up to 4th piston. And assembling the piston, we require this tool. This is called a piston ring compressor and is used to compress, to tighten the piston ring so that the piston will be installed without any problem. We have the factors that can be taken into consideration when we are assembling the pistons. When we look at on the head of the piston, we find this dot. The dot indicates that the piston should be oriented at the front of the engine. And in most cases, when we look at on this connecting rod, we will find also something like a dot. It will be also oriented at the front. And also we have the chamfer to the big end. And when we look at on this one, we have also the chamfer here. And this should be oriented at the front. We may use this piston ring compressor. I thought that this will help us to squeeze the piston ring so that the piston will go without any problem and be touching on the crankshaft pin down there. During the assembling of this piston, we have to take care of this flat surface of the engine block. When we tighten this compression ring, we can't over tighten. We have to lubricate the cylinder. Okay, and this is the front. The piston should be installed like this one. Yes, it's like this. So I have to okay. Yes. Okay. It's okay. Now bring the main bearing, the connecting rod cap. It's okay there. Bring the connecting rod cap. And you have to look its direction. Okay. Well. Okay, now the pistons are all installed, and you see the crankshaft is where rotating, no problem.